Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to deposit checks on Truist Bank. The first method is depositing with the Truist mobile app. Firstly, download and open the Truist mobile app on your iOS or Android device. Log in with your banking credentials, then tap Deposit Check from the menu. Select the amount where you want to deposit the check. Then enter it. Take photos of the front and back of the check and make sure to sign the back and right for mobile deposit only at Truist Bank. Review your deposit details, then tap Submit, and you'll get a confirmation of the app. Keep the check until the deposit clears. The second method is deposit at a Truist ATM. Insert your Truist debit or ATM card and enter your PIN. Select Deposit and enter your checks into the machine when prompted. No envelope needed at the Truist ATM, just confirm the amount displayed and choose whether to print a receipt. And finally, the third method is depositing at a branch. Visit your nearest Truist branch and fill out a deposit slip which is available at the branch and endorse the back of the check with your signature, then hand the check and deposit slip to a teller. And that's it, guys. Mobile deposit is usually the fastest and most convenient way to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.